stop looking for free photography tips. It really is a terrible way to learn a great subject. Maybe I should explain that. Trying to acquire the skills to shoot images like these by watching endless free videos is kind of like trying to make beautiful pictures from random pieces of different jigsaw puzzles. The techniques I use to shoot these images, they don't work in isolation. Technical settings often have creative superpowers. Camera settings, light and composition, they're like a row of dominoes. If you change one, it impacts the others. They have to be learned in the correct sequence or they won't work. Then you'll be frustrated. So ask yourself this. If a 5-star Trustpilot and Google reviewed photography course is available for less than the price of a few jigsaw puzzles, why am I doing this the hard way? I've taught thousands of photographers just like you at some of the world's most prestigious photography events. And my masterclass in photography will give you the skills, creativity and confidence to capture images you're truly proud of, or I'll give you your money back. Many photographers who've taken my online courses have said that they wish they'd done it earlier, saved months of frustration and captured so many more awesome images, memories and special moments. Masterclass is 100% refund guaranteed. You can even try it for free. So if you'd rather be shooting awesome images instead of merely watching others do it, click the link and find out how I can help you.